Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're taking a closer look at the new model from Aerotec, the Ace Bronze. The watch will be launched on Kickstarter sometime in December of 2020 or January of 2021 at a special early bird price of $270, while the full price after the campaign will be around $430. So if you end up liking the watch, I would definitely recommend joining the campaign as the saving is pretty big. As I mentioned in my unboxing video, the watch comes with an option of selecting either a smooth pilot-styled bezel or an elapsed time diver-style bezel. Both have ratcheting teeth underneath necessary for unidirectional operation of the dive one. If, however, you can't decide between the clean look of the smooth one and the functionality of the dive one, you will have the option of ordering the extra bezel for around $20, which is definitely what I would do, as you get almost two different watches for that little extra. So what exactly do you get for the money? First of all, you get a bronze case that is reasonably sized at 40mm in diameter and 47 lug to lug, making it a great size for almost any wrist. The watch face appears larger though, something I noticed right away but couldn't figure out why until I realized it is down to the lugs, which are pretty thin compared to the case, giving the impression of a larger case head. Another thing magnifying the dial is the double-domed sapphire crystal, which comes with 2 layers of anti-reflective coating. Luckily, both are applied on the inside only. Overall, the case shape is pretty classic and nothing to write home about, but the bronze used means it will develop character over time, as bronze will develop patina that will be unique on every watch, depending on how you wear it, and that I like. The only thing I don't like about the exterior is the crown. It is pretty small, which does help with wearing comfort, but at the same time it makes it hard to operate, and I really don't have chunky fingers. So if there's one thing I would change, it is definitely that. Under the crystal is the real party piece, a sandwich dial with deeply cut numerals and a loomed background. It gives the watch character and the loom is pretty good. 3 dial colors will be available, all with this metallic-looking circular pattern. This beige color looks cool and goes well with the bronze case, but because the long cathedral hands are gold, there isn't much contrast, so legibility is not so great. With this color variant, the watch looks cool, but it is not very practical, so we can say it is a case of form over function. The blue dial version doesn't suffer from that problem, so if legibility is crucial to you, that would be the variant I recommend. With no text on the dial and the 12 o'clock marker posing as the logo, the watch is very minimalistic, so I'm glad they went with a no-date version. Another thing I like is the fact they use a true no-date movement, the Seiko NH38. Usually micro brands will use the NH35 on their no-date variants, which means you have one extra crown position that does nothing. With this, you only have a winding position and a time-setting position, giving the movement a more bespoke and purposeful feeling. Everything else is pretty much the same as on the NH35, so it beats at 21,600 bph and comes with both hacking and hand winding. The movement is not visible as you get this beautiful and massive caseback with the Aerotec logo relief and these cool dimples used for opening the case. The watch is paired to a thick leather strap and a matching bronze buckle, but you can also order a tropical rubber strap if you plan on getting this thing wet. The leather strap is one of the most comfortable I had the pleasure of wearing, and it makes spinnaker leather straps seem crude and stiff. Overall, I like the watch as it is pretty original, even though it does remind me of the Zenith Pilot watch, while the bronze case and the sandwich dial give it a lot of character. At retail price, it is a bit expensive, which is why I would definitely get one during the campaign, as the early bird price makes it a much better value. Well, that's it when it comes to this week's review, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video,